Click on the link below to get price. The Freesky 2026 Warrior Pro 4000W dual motor electric bike is a game changer for those seeking adventure and versatility in their rides. Right out of the box, the build quality is impressive, featuring a robust aluminum frame that can handle rugged terrains while remaining lightweight. The dual 2000W motors provide a combined 4000W output, catapulting the bike to speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making it perfect for thrill seekers and commuters alike. Equipped with a 48V lithium battery, the Warrior Pro offers a remarkable range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on your riding style and terrain. This is particularly advantageous for long-distance riders or those who enjoy weekend excursions. The bike features 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, and manual, allowing for customizable experiences to suit various preferences and energy levels. The suspension system is another highlight, with a front fork that absorbs shocks effectively, delivering a smooth ride even on bumpy trails. The 20-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for both urban environments and off-road adventures. Additionally, the bike comes with hydraulic disc brakes that ensure reliable stopping power, enhancing safety at higher speeds. The LED display is user-friendly, providing vital information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Assembly is straightforward, and most users can have it ready to ride within an hour. However, a few more detailed instructions on maintenance would have been appreciated. One potential drawback is the bike's weight, which can be cumbersome for some users when maneuvering it off the bike. Nonetheless, the performance and features far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Freesky 2026 Warrior Pro is an exceptional electric bike that combines power, versatility, and comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to explore new horizons on 2 wheels. Whether for commuting or leisure, it certainly delivers an exhilarating riding experience.